Hi, I'm Kevin from EyouAgro, bridging farming needs with top-tier netting solutions. I've seen growers buy the cheapest blueberry netting only to replace it after 2 seasons. That's not a bargain, that's a loss. A properly installed UV-stabilized HDPE bird net lasts 5 to 8 seasons with basic maintenance. That's a fact from my 28 years in the field. So when you're comparing prices, don't just look at the upfront cost. Run 2 depreciation scenarios. Worst case, 5 years. Best case, 8 years. Divide the total price by each. That tells you your true annual cost. A net that costs 20% more but lasts 2 extra seasons often wins on cost per year. I've installed these nets in Australia, Chile, and Spain. Same math works everywhere. So next time you get a quote, ask yourself, at 5 seasons, what's my annual cost? At 8? That number, not the sticker price, is what matters. Thanks for watching and see you next time.